How is it going? Welcome to my channel, Motoverse Official. If you are watching my videos for first time, this channel is all about bikes. Enjoy. Let's get started.
Triumph is preparing to launch its all-new Thruxton 400 Café Racer, and recent spy shots reveal a production-ready model without any camouflage. This bike is expected to be a strong contender in the 350 cubic centimeters to 450 cubic centimeters retro segment, dominated by Royal Enfield. With Triumph's partnership with Bajaj Auto, the brand is rapidly expanding its affordable premium motorcycle lineup. After the Spied 400 and Scrambler 400X, the Thruxton 400 aims to bring the classic Café Racer experience to a wider audience. Let's talk about the design and styling that is expected to have and shown in the Spied shots. The Triumph Thruxton 400 features a true Café Racer design, staying faithful to the classic retro aesthetic. Key design highlights include a semi-fairing that gives it a distinctive Café Racer look, round LED headlamp with a stylish X motif, enhancing its vintage appeal, clip-on handlebars for a committed riding posture, rear set foot pegs, further reinforcing its sporty Café Racer stance, bar-in mirrors, which add to the premium styling, though it's unclear if they will come as standard. This design ensures a classic yet aggressive riding posture, perfect for riders looking for a mix of heritage and performance. Now let's dig deeper. Let's speak about its engine and performance. The Thruxton 400 is expected to use the same engine as the Spied 400 and Scrambler 400X, making it a powerful option in its class. 398 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled, DOHC 4-valve engine, 40 bhp of power, and 38 Newton-meters of torque, 6-speed gearbox for smooth, shifting large radiator for effective engine cooling. With these specifications, the Thruxton 400 is expected to deliver strong mid-range torque, making it ideal for both city rides and highway cruising. Next, let's talk about its suspension, brakes, and electronics. To ensure a balanced ride, the Thruxton 400 comes with a premium suspension setup and braking system. USD, upside down, front forks for better handling and stability. Rear monoshock suspension for improved ride comfort. 17-inch alloy wheels fitted with tubeless tires. Disc brakes at both ends with dual-channel ABS for enhanced safety. A semi-digital instrument cluster based on spy shots, but no Bluetooth connectivity at this stage. The combination of strong suspension, precise braking, and retro-modern styling makes the Thruxton 400 a promising choice for enthusiasts. The expected price and expected launch date. The official launch date has not been confirmed, but given that the bike is production ready, it is likely to debut by mid to late 2025. Expected pricing is around 2 Indian rupees, 8 lakh to 3 Indian rupees, 2 lakh, ex-showroom, India, positioning it as a direct competitor to Royal Enfield Interceptor 650, Honda CB 350 RS Yezdi Roadster. So should you wait for it? The Triumph Thruxton 400 is shaping up to be a unique addition to the mid-size motorcycle segment. Its pros: the classic Café Racer styling with powerful 398 cubic centimeters engine, premium suspension, and braking setup, and strong build quality. Its cons: it's expected to be slightly expensive compared to some competitors. No Bluetooth connectivity in the instrument cluster. For Café Racer enthusiasts, this could be the best entry-level option in India. If priced right, the Thruxton 400 can disrupt the retro-modern motorcycle market and offer a stylish yet performance-oriented ride. If you have watched till the end, thank you very much for watching the video. Want to get updated about bikes first before anyone else? Hit subscribe and stay notified. See you to the next video. Till then, be happy and ride safely.